Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this accessory not supported in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone that you are having this type issue that you're facing a pop-up message, your accessory will not be supported. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it happens when you use and duplicate charging cable for your iPhone. So you have to make sure that the charging cable you're using is original and not copied or fake. So you have to make sure, or if you have any copies, so you have to exchange that, or you can get it from Apple Support or Apple Store. And after that, if you're still having the same issue, so you have to make a reset in your settings. So sometime it might be that you have enabled or disabled any setting like that. So you must have to open the settings app here, go for general here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset here, select reset all settings here, verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password, and after that you have to continue this step. It will reset all the settings, it will not delete the data. So you can easily try this. And after that, if you're still having the same issue, so it might be your hardware issue. So you have to check your hardware. You can check your input way of your charging cable, or you can change your charger also. So after that your issue will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix if you're having the issue that your accessory not be supported with your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.